Hey, how's it going? It's Reyes. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to discuss how I have bought and sold over 1,000 properties with no real estate license. By the way, do me a huge favor, if you haven't done so yet, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. It would mean a lot to me. So let's get into the video. All right, so I've been flipping houses for several years. I've been able to flip houses from Florida up to New Jersey to Seattle and Bay Area and LA and everything in between. And anytime that I'm either at an event or someone runs into me on the street, they always ask me the same thing. 9 out of 10 people, by the way. Do I need a real estate license to do what you're doing? And that's flipping houses. The answer is no, you don't. The fact of the matter is, I don't have a real estate license and I probably will never have one. So if I don't have a real estate license and I have flipped already over 1,000 properties, what makes you think that you need one? Okay, that's a huge misconception. Full disclosure, I did attend a real estate course, but that was only gonna teach me how to become a realtor, and I never wanted to be a realtor. I wanted to be an investor. That's where the big bucks are. So with that being said, let me just say this. I'm not against people getting their real estate license. I'm not. Will I ever have one? No, more than likely not. But if you do have a real estate license, let me just also say this. You're probably going to get into that mindset of becoming a retail real estate agent, and you're not gonna be looking for the opportunities that I would advise you to look for that will make you a pretty instant success in this business. So what I'm trying to say to you is, you can take the stairs, you can become a real estate agent, and nothing against them because they're amazing people and the industry of real estate does need real estate agents. Or you can take the elevator, which would require you to become an investor. The choice is yours, real estate agent or real estate investor. I became a real estate investor, which was always my dream, right? I had no money, no license, no credit, very little knowledge. I became a real estate investor, and then slowly but surely, it all started to fall into place for me. All right, I've been able to build a multiple 7-figure operation here in Phoenix, Arizona with no license, absolutely no license. I got an entire army behind me now, and I have no license. Now, I do have some realtors that list my properties, okay? But the fact of the matter is, I have no license. Again, I've been able to accomplish a lot without a license, and I don't think my journey would have been any different if I had a license or not have a license. And this is what I'm saying to you. Okay, I'm gonna give you 3 quick steps on how you can start flipping houses, buying and selling properties with no money, no credit, no license. Step 1, learn the concept of real estate wholesaling. If you have no money, if you have no credit, if you don't have a lot of knowledge, you need to get into real estate wholesaling just like I did back in the day. What is real estate wholesaling? Real estate wholesaling is you, the investor or the real estate entrepreneur, looking for distressed properties or looking for motivated sellers that are willing to take less money than what they could sell their property on the market for, just because they need to get out of whatever urgent matter is going on with them, okay? That's where you come in. You come in, you find these motivated sellers, you find a solution to these motivated sellers. You're the middle person. That is what wholesaling is. You're finding these properties at wholesale price, not market price. All right, so you find the prospect, you put a contract on that prospect, and then since you have no money to actually flip the property yourself, you're gonna find an end buyer, a fix and flipper or an investor that has the money and the resources to flip that property that you found, okay? You're gonna be the middle person. You're going to assign that contract to that end buyer, and you're gonna make what's called an assignment fee or a finder's fee. That's how I got started in this business, and that's how you can get started in this business. So wholesaling. 2, download my book right now. Everything that you're ever gonna need. That way you can understand the concept of wholesale real estate. Download bestreibook.com. It's absolutely free. It goes directly to your phone. Or you can get on Amazon for $20, but I don't encourage you to do that. Who doesn't like free 99, right? So yes, download my book. That's step 2. Step 3, take massive action. Don't sit around and sit on your hands because you feel like you haven't figured it all out. No, I didn't do that. Start taking these small steps every single day, and I promise things will begin to fall into place, okay? Rough draft moves, take massive action today. So if you feel like you got some useful information out of this video, do me a huge favor. If you haven't done so yet, subscribe, like, and comment. I love reading your comments, and I'll try to get back to every single one of you every single time. So thank you, and I'll see you soon.